Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use PortraitMe AI Headshot Pro application. So first of all, you need to open your camera, open this app, and then you don't need to sign in. You don't need it. Just simply tap on the get started and choose the photos. Make sure that the photos is high resolutions and good size. So choose your photos. Then in a bottom part you can get here couple of style. So which style you like, you have to choose this one. So for example, I am going to choose this one straight and tap on the generate now. So it takes couple of times to generating, so wait for the end. So now it's almost end. So you can see how it looks like. So once it's done, there will be watermark if you use free mode. If you don't use uh, unlimited pack, then you have to pay. So simply tap on the download. So it's download now. So this way you can generate your picture freely. A lot of style here, and you can go down and you will see all style here. So you can choose and make the videos. So okay friend, today's normal, and see you in the next video.